Hi everyone, welcome to the online mathematics class. In the previous class, we already completed the fourth problem. In today's class, we will continue the fifth problem. Look at the fifth problem, and these problems are somewhat lengthy. Try to understand. Consider this. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. Consider the data collected from a survey of a colony. Look at the data. Favorite sports: cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey, and athletics. They are given the sports name: cricket, basketball, swimming, and hockey, and the athletics. And the people watching the cricket are 1240, and I say that is the people watching the basketball are 470, and people watching the swimming are 510, and the people watching hockey is 430, and the people watching athletics is 250. Assume that the people participating in cricket are 620, the people participating in basketball are 320, and the people participating in swimming are 320, and the assume that the people participating in hockey is 250 at last, and the people participating in athletics is 105. These are the given the data. And what the answer question: draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. Draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. And one thing that the number starts from 105 to, it is the smallest number in the given data, and highest number is 1220 and 1240, and it is the smallest number, it is the largest number, and that's why I took the graph from 100 to 1300. 100 to 1300, and scale is, or 1 unit on scale is 100. 1 unit is equal to 100. 100 to 100, you took the scale, or the unit is 100. That's why 1 unit is equal to 100, and it is smallest number is 105 and largest number is 1300. That's why you took the 100 to the 1300, and it is the number of the people participating in the watching and the participating. These are the people are participating in the watching and the participating. These are the teams are the favorite sports: cricket, basketball, and the swimming, hockey, and the athletics. These are the favorite sports. Coming to the first one, cricket. The people watching the cricket are 1240. If you take the graph from the x-axis to the, it is the x-axis equal to it is the x-axis, it is the y-axis. The x-axis is the y-axis. 1240, it is in between the 1200 and the 1300. 1240, it is in between the 1200 and the 1300. You should take the graph from x-axis, that is the cricket, from cricket. One 1240, it is 1250, it is 40. It is the 1240. It is the people watching the cricket are 1240. And same that the people participating in cricket are 620. Already you drawn the bar graph of that is the people watching the cricket, and now second data, the people participating in cricket are 620. You should take the from the cricket to the 620. You will get the 620 in between the 600 and the 700. It is the 650, 640, 630, 620. You will get the 620 here in between the 600 and the 700. You should draw the paragraph from the 620 to the 620. It is 620. It is the people participating in the cricket. Coming to the second one, the people watching the basketball are the 470. The people watching the the people watching the basketball are the 470. You will get the 470 in between the 500 and the 400 and the 500. 450, 460, 460, 470, 480, 900, 500. You should get the in between the 400 and the 500. You will get the number of the 470. You will get the in between the 400 and the 500. And that is, you should draw the bar graph from the 472. Is the 470. The number of people watching the basketball, that is the 470. And coming to the number of participating in the basketball are the 320. 320 you will get the in between the 300 and 400. It is the 350, 340, 330, 320. You will get the 320 in between the 300 and the 400. It is the number of people participating in the basketball are the 320. You got the 320. And coming to the swimming, in the swimming, the number of watching the swimming are 510. 510 will get the in between the 500 and the 600. 510 will get the in between the 500 and the 600. It is the 510. The number of watching the swimming is the 510. And coming to the number of people participating in the swimming is the 320. 320 will get the in between the 300 and 400. As same that the number of people participating in the basketball, as same that you will get the 320. It is the 320 is the number of people participating in the swimming. And coming to the hockey, in the hockey, the number of people watching the hockey is the 430. You will get the 430, 410, 420, 430. You will get the in between the 400 and 500. You will get the 430. It is the 430. The number of people watching the hockey is the 430. Coming to the number of people participating in the hockey are the 250. You will get the 250 in between the 300 and the 200. You will get the 250. It is the 250. You will get the in between the 200 and the 300. You will get the 250. Coming to the last, athletics. In the athletics, the 250 people are watching the athletics. You get the 250 here. As same that the number of people participating in the hockey. And last, the number of people participating in the athletics are the 105. You will get the 105. You will get the 105. You get the 105 here in between the 100 and the 200. This is the participating in the each favorite games. The shaded portion of the people participating in the the games. This is the shaded portion. It is the, it indicates the watching the people watching the games, and the shaded portion indicates the participating. The blank page indicates the people watching the games, and the shaded portion indicates the people participating in the each games. And already we drawn the graph according to the given data. Coming to the first question, what do you infer from the bar graph? What do you infer from the bar graph? That means what do you understand from the given bar graph? We can understand from the bar graph is the number of participating people is half of the watching people. It is the number of people watching the cricket, for example, and it is the number of participating people is half of the watching people. What you can understand from the given bar graph? We can understand from this the number of people participating in the each game is the half of the people participating watching in the game. You can read that. We can understand that the number of people participating is half of the people watching the game. The people watching the game. Look at the each graph. The people watching the graph is high, and the people watching the people participating in the graph is, it is half of the watching. See the every graph is the half of the watching participating in the graph. And coming to the second, you can understand another thing from the graph. The people in the given data, cricket is the most favorite game compared to the other games. Cricket is the popular game, and the athletics is the least, and the athletics is the least, and the athletics is the least, because the number of the people watching and the participating the cricket is high, and the number of the people watching and the participating the athletics is very less. And coming to the second one, which sports is most popular? By seeing the bar graph, we can understand that the cricket is the most popular game, because the number of the people watching the game is high, and the number of people participating the game is high compared to the other games. Cricket is the most popular game compared to other games. And coming to the last question, which is the more prepared and watching or the participating in sports? What is the question? Which is the more prepared, watching or participating in the sports? By seeing the graph, we can understand that the watching the game is preferred more than the participating in the game, because the graph indicates the number of the people watching the game is high compared to the participating. We can understand that by the graph is the number of the watching people is high compared to the participating the people. Watching is more preferred, watching is more preferred compared to the participating, compared to the participating, because more number of people peoples watching the game game is very high compared to participating, compared to participating, compared to participating. What is the question? Which is the more prepared and watching or participating in the sports? What is the answer? Watching is the more prepared compared to the participating, because more number of people are watching the game is more number of people watching the game is very high and compared to the participating the people. This somewhat question is very lengthy, and try to understand, and in the next class we can continue the last problem exercise, that is the sixth one. We can continue the last class. Thank you.